Good afternoon. It's been a long time since I made a video. I'm heading up this steep hill. It's about a 500-foot elevation raise. On Google Earth, I think I see a fort of some sort, a hilltop ruin. So we're going to find out in a half hour or so. Well, I didn't pick the easiest route by any means, so I have to go up there and then across the ridge. So wish me luck. Well, this is the height of the land, so just up here I can't go any higher. So if it's not there, I'm not sure where it is. So come on with me. Well, that's it. The height of the land. This does not look like a ruin to me. It's a beautiful view, but oh man, I just see it. Can you see it down there? All I can see is a wall with a prickly pear in front of it. All right, well, I'm going to stop this video for a second so I don't break my leg. So I am 6.5 feet tall. So this wall right here, this outside wall, right in this one spot, is 6.5 feet. That's pretty amazing that it's still standing. I'm gonna turn you around so you can see this vista. What a view. That's amazing. This northern facing wall is at least 4 feet thick on that entire north facing wall. It's very impressive. Now that wall on the inside is perfectly flat. It's perfectly flat around there, except for where it's caved in a little bit. This side is caved in. It looks like all the walls were at least 3 feet thick. And the northern facing wall, probably 4 feet thick. So, there's a lot of rocks over here. But it appears like on the west and on the east wall, the rocks fell in, and on the south wall, the rocks fell in. On the north wall looks almost intact. It's beautiful. This is the inside wall on the north facing side. I'm going to pan nice and slowly around this so everybody can see this. Okay, so you've got a corner, and then you have the west facing wall, and then you have a corner, then you have the south facing wall, and then you have the corner, and then the east facing wall, and then the final corner. Okay, so directly behind the camera is the northern facing wall, and directly over there, straight across, 10.5 miles away, is another ruin. And that other ruin I'll try to get to next week so you can see it, but I've been there before. So 10 miles straight across the valley, right on that first mountain, is a ruin. So this one here has a direct line of sight to that one. It's the only thing that makes sense because there's mountains in the way over here, There is still valley in that direction, and there is 2 more ruins over behind me at about 15 miles away that could see this ruin. So that's pretty cool. All right, and there's the wall directly behind me. Stacked rocks, part of a wall, and then there is the ruin up there. It's a beautiful thing. What a quiet, perfect day today. Now from here, right in there, I can actually see a cave. Actually, I can see another one over here. There's a cave on that hill over there that I can see with my bare eyes. That's probably 2 miles from here. It's a tough 2 miles too, and it's too late in the day for me to go that direction today. But I'm gonna have to come back after that and take a look. That's very cool. I'll have to mark that on my maps. Get out of here. The sun is starting to get low in the sky. The day's growing long. I really just wanted to find one piece of pottery or a lithic. Just a flake from flint knapping. Anything to say that this was not just like a lookout outpost, but the people actually lived here. But so far, nothing.